Have you ever wondered what it means to dream about parrots? We'll tell you here. In general, birds in dreams come to be a representation of the imagination and the mind, being an allegory of the freedom of restrictions, thoughts, desires, or hopes are sheltered in the interior. But what happens when you dream of parrots? This type of bird is known to be considerably friendly and of good nature. They're a great company, plus they're extremely smart. We have all heard at some point a parrot repeating memorized words and phrases, imitating even tones and expressions. The birds have been a symbol of vigilance throughout the history of making. But this type of attributes is given to birds such as crows and hawks, while the parrots have been displaced to a second plane. Parrots are beautiful birds with their warm and vibrant colors, synonyms of vitality and freedom. This is representative in parrot dreams found largely in the warmest areas of the planet, although they are seen around the world in many homes as pets. Parrots, thanks to their ability to vocalize like people, are associated with loud communication. They are a kind of alert, coming to your dream to warn you that new experiences and opportunities are coming. You must be very careful when interpreting the signs that manifest to you through parrots, as it may be that wish you thought you could never see crystallized is about to happen. That is the meaning of dreaming of parrots, maybe that your great desires are about to come true.